You can tell your own story about a BrainPOP or BrainPOP Junior topic using code. You can create a conversation between characters and add settings and multiple scenes. Snap together blocks of code to bring your story to life. In this project, you'll choose the items or sprites to include in your story and decide what happens when they're clicked. You can code the sprites to talk, move, change color, and more. Let's take a look at how it works. Choose your items, or sprites, from the Sprites area. Drag and drop code blocks from the Blocks palette to the coding area. Let's code Moby to say hello and beep. Click the green flag to start your code. Watch and interact with your project on the stage. Add, delete, move, and resize sprites here. Click this tab to change your backdrop. For each new sprite, add code blocks to tell it what to do. Click Help to review and learn more. Each creative coding project comes with a tutorial on how to get started. You can save your project and come back to it later. When you're done, submit it to your teacher. What will you create? Happy coding!